everyone, welcome to the One Product a Day segment today. I will bring you a product design perfect for Valentine's Day. So now, let's create this artwork together to gift it to your loved one. Here, with a size of 9 by 9 inches, I've designed a border to make cutting easier. Carefully trim off the excess paper. To enhance the appearance of the frame, we'll use a suitable background frame matching the template size. The chair displayed on the screen has been carefully cut and securely attached using craft glue. Next, you just need 4 pebbles with suitable shapes and sizes. Add a wooden heart painted in red to make it more vibrant. Once you're happy with the arrangement, use glue to fix them in place. When you visit our store, the quotes inside the painting and the colors can be customized to your liking. After waiting for the glue to dry, we'll frame the painting and complete it. So we have completed the painting. See you in the next product.